Show it to me.
All right, you guys, old cuz and stick. They done got them some wheels. We down here at the Fun Rentals. We at Fun Rentals getting us some golf carts. I got this at another spot at Sunshine Scooters.
Well, when the engine starts, it'll start flashing. If it's flashing while you're driving. Hello.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hey, Mom.
You mind being?
If it starts flashing when you're driving, that means you got turn signal on. As soon as you turn off the turn signal, it'll quit flashing up there.
Okay.
Headlights are here. Horn. Put your parking slip here when you pay for parking.
Okay.
Lock the steering wheel anytime you're not with the cart. Just through here and lock it. Combinations the last 4.
Okay.
0721.
That's pretty smart.
Oh yeah.
Gas cap's over here on this side. Just twist off. 93 octane. Bring it back same level. These are USB chargers for your phone.
Oh
You
shit.
can plug in there. And then parking brake. Tap the gas to release it. Go through there to set. Reverse. Forward.
Okay.
And then you can make a cooler out of this. Got a drain hose. You can put ice and drink from it.
Ain't that some shit?
Yeah, we ready.
I'll be here next year.
If it rain, this whole okay. This flip that up. If it rain, okay.
We seen y'all last night. Was y'all ready to hit the finna hit the beach? No.
Oh, that's what we finna do. We need to ride with y'all.
Put some music to that. That right there, like he want to do something. We out here getting us some golf carts, y'all. I got the limousine. I'll give you what I'm seeing about whip. Slappy's whips when we go to Key West. We got the limousine 8-seater. Look like a golf player. Look, he got more leg room than I got too. Uh-huh.
Right here.
Let these seatbelts get down in the engine when you got it open.
Okay.
Basically the same thing. You on, off, headlights, horn, USB chargers, turn signals, parking brake, tap the gas, same combination, 0721.
What now? You just tap that's the
Yeah, once you set it, you gotta click twice to set it. Tap the gas to release it. Get it forward. And combination the same, 0721. You're there when you're not with the car. That way nobody steals it. Ready to go?
Slapdog hooked me up with this.
I got you.
Slapdog got
We
you.
gonna get you riding.
When you pay for
F for
parking,
Slapdog.
you put your receipt somewhere in the windshield. It looks like they put one in here somewhere. Under the rubber.
Here's how we rolling, y'all. Well, you smooth. All right, here we go, y'all. We got them bad boys. He rolling. We done trade the doggone Goldwings in for some golf carts. We got it. I believe they faster than my limousine. stick pin. Look at it. You should have gave us no golf cart. Let me get over there. Let go. Oh, stick pin got the fast one. Ride it back and drag it in.
Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm ready.